In this video, we're gonna review Designrr and answer the question, is it worth it? Designrr is a content creation tool designed to convert blog posts, podcasts, videos, or other types of content into ebooks, PDFs, or flipbooks with minimal effort. It's particularly useful for marketers, bloggers, and entrepreneurs who want to repurpose their existing content into a more polished, professional format. But the question is it worth the investment? Features and benefits. One of the biggest selling points of Designrr is how quickly you can turn raw content into a sleek ebook. The platform offers a wide variety of templates, allowing you to choose a design that fits your brand without needing to be a graphic design expert. It's also very versatile, handling content from multiple formats, including blog posts, Google Docs, podcasts, and even social media posts. For people who often repurpose their content across different platforms, this tool can be a time saver. You can simply input the URL of a blog post, and Designrr will extract the text, images, and formatting to create an ebook draft almost immediately. After that, you can tweak the design, adjust fonts, add images, and customize layouts. Ease of use. While the platform does simplify the process of creating ebooks, the user interface might take some getting used to. For beginners, it may feel slightly overwhelming at first, as there are a lot of customization options available. However, once you become familiar with the tool, you can navigate it more easily and produce high-quality ebooks in no time. Pricing. Designrr offers several pricing plans ranging from one-time purchase to monthly subscriptions. The base version allows you to create unlimited projects, but additional features like 3D cover creation, transcription of audio and video, or importing content from PDFs may require upgrading to higher tier plans. Some users might find the pricing on the steeper side, especially if they don't have to produce ebooks frequently. So, is it worth it? For frequent content creators, Designrr can be a worthwhile investment due to the time it saves and professional results it delivers. If you're consistently repurposing content for lead generation or digital marketing, the platform's flexibility and ease of use can justify the cost. However, for those who occasionally create ebooks or PDFs, there are cheaper alternatives or even free tools that might be more cost-effective. Ultimately, Designrr is worth it for users who need high-quality, polished content regularly, but may feel like overkill for more casual needs. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.